Hello everyone, Alvin Darien here. I spent over 2 decades in the financial industry helping people just like you. As the author of books like Don't Let Adversity Steal Your Legacy and the 8 Financial Breakthroughs, and as the CEO and co-founder of Financial Pro Network, I am proud to present to you the Leadership and Money Podcast. Are you ready to level up your career and create a lasting legacy in the financial education industry? Welcome to FPN, Financial Pro Network, where we believe in LTC, leadership, training, and community. Let me tell you this. This is our purpose. This is how we help you make a profit, and this is how we make impact. At FPN, we believe in leadership. We believe in building your legacy. You are the brand. We want to make sure you're with seasoned professionals. We want you to be a part of this network that's going to lead to you building your confidence, your character, and clarity. We don't just recruit or bring anybody into our industry. We develop. We look for relationships because we know relationships and conversations will lead to connections. We want to bring you a world-class training system that's going to equip you to succeed. We want to help you master financial strategies. We want to help you be confident in educating your clients. We don't just recruit, we develop. We're going to bring you a world-class training system that's going to equip you with everything you need to succeed, from mastering the financial strategy to confidently educating clients. This isn't just business, it's family. At Financial Pro Network, we surround you with a community that's going to be positive and uplift you, supports you, and most importantly, challenge you to grow. Ready to make your mark? Become part of something bigger than yourself. Join the FPN movement today. Let us help you lead, learn, and live well. Click right here to schedule a time. Make sure you meet with one of our financial professionals. And again, we believe in LTC, leadership, training, and community. Thank you for your time today. Have a productive day and not a busy day. To all the world champions and first-generation millionaires, I will see you at the top because the bottom is too crowded with excuses. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Take care and God bless everyone.